This is the GPS CS1 from Sony. It's coming out in September and it's an interesting little device. Sony says that when you combine it with digital cameras like this one, this is the T10 that's also coming out at the same time, you'll be able to add GPS data to all of your pictures. That means that you'll have a permanent record inside the metadata in the picture files of where the picture was taken and when. Here's how it works. The GPS unit records its position every 15 seconds. When you load your pictures into Sony's GPS image tracker software, the application matches up the picture timestamp with the location database to determine where you took the picture. Sony is only guaranteeing that it's going to work with their cameras, but we're pretty sure it will work with others. So just for good measure today, we have a Pentax Optio and we also have a Nikon D70. We're going to be taking a few pictures and we're going to try and see how it works. Merging the GPS data and the photos was easy. First, we needed to transfer the pictures to the computer. Sony supplies its motion picture browser software, but any similar application will do. Next, you need to fire up the GPS image tracker application and download the GPS data. Then it's simply a case of matching the pictures with the data. The software will either overwrite your original files or create duplicates. If you're using the Sony software, and that's only available when you buy a Sony camera, a small compass icon in the corner of the thumbnail will show that location data is embedded in the image. The software will interact with Google Maps to show you exactly where the images were taken. If you don't have a Sony camera but still want to use the GPS unit, then it should still work. You just need to ensure that your camera supports EXIF 2.1 metadata in the JPEG images it records. We had no problems with the Pentax and Nikon we tested. You'll get the GPS image tracker software with the unit, but you'll have to find another way to display the images on a map. Fortunately, several web-based photo sites already support GPS data and link with Google Maps, and as it's an open standard, the feature is likely to appear in software that doesn't have it now. The GPS unit will run for about 10 hours on a AA cell, and the unit's internal 31 megabyte memory can store about 15 days straight worth of data. The output data is a plain text file, so if the little unit proves popular, then we can probably expect third-party applications that use the data for other purposes. The GPS CS1 will go on sale in Japan and in the US in September, and it'll cost around $150. This is Martyn Williams in Tokyo, IDG News Service.